the diagram shows the line 3x minus 2y is equal to 12. The line crosses the x-axis at P and the y-axis at Q. Find the equation of the quadratic curve which touches the x-axis and passes through the x-axis at P and passes through Q. So basically we want this sort of curve that goes like that. Okay, so first of all we've got to find the coordinates of P and Q. So we've got 3x minus 2y is equal to 12. On the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 on these axes. So if we put y is equal to 0 in that, we're going to get 3x minus 2 times 0 is 12, which gives 3x is 12, x is equal to 4. So coordinates at that point are 4, 0. And then on the y-axis, x is equal to 0. So this is the line x is equal to 0. So substitute x is 0 into this. We're going to get 3 times 0 minus 2y is 12, which is minus 2y is equal to 12. Be careful of that minus sign. And therefore y is minus 6. That gives me the point here, 0, minus 6. Right, because the curve, the quadratic just touches this particular point, it will be of the form of a, some number, times x minus 4 squared. Be like a perfect squared. Okay, but we've got to find the value of a such that it goes through the point 0, minus 6. So it will come up like that and go back down. So if it just touches, it will be of that format, a perfect square. Now, in order to find the value of a, we know that it goes through 0, 6. So the last term, when we square it, times by a must be equal to minus 6. So just write this down, just touches the x-axis. We require a times minus 4, like I just said, a times minus 4 all squared to be equal to minus 6. So that means that 16a is equal to minus 6. A is minus 6 over 16, which means that a is 3/8, which means my quadratic is y is equal to minus 3/8 of x minus 4 all squared. Now we will expect it to be negative because it's like a sad face. Okay, over here is a proper graph drawn, just so you can see it. This is our line. These are coordinate P, this coordinate of Q, and here is the quadratic which just touches the x-axis but goes through the point 0, 6, and we can see we got y is minus 3/8, x minus 4 all squared. So this has been a video to help you find a quadratic that just touches the x-axis and pass through another point given by a straight line. Hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.